In this series, we look at some of the pragmatics and practicalities around the implementation of artificial intelligence using proven business practices on a risk-based approach. Previously, we have looked at overall business considerations and some supporting operational aspects, whether it is a two-person business or a 35,000-person global operation. We have also noted the significance of government and the importance of education in skilling and sustaining the required workforce. In this session, we want to look further at aspects of the response from the integration of artificial intelligence into services and operations by considering selected examples from various industry sectors. The expertise from different areas can serve as a guide for managing the adoption and adaptation in other industries and business. Obviously, there is a lot of ground to cover, and the detailed aspects unique to a business are beyond the scope of such a series. But the intent is to paint a picture of what is needed, varying with the dynamic business environment. Let's get into industries. In seeking to address the question I get asked around how artificial intelligence is to be implemented, I often advise looking at other industries and what they have done. As it is seen from this series and the other videos on transformation, link in the details below, there is a lot of overlap between businesses, whether of differing size, type, sector, market, and location. The lessons learned in managing regulatory within agriculture have relevance to the regulatory within financial services. The experience from standardization of process in manufacturing has application to knowledge worker automation. The need for project management and change management expertise is another example of applicability across sectors. Overviews. In this series, a brief look at some of the lessons from other industry sectors are selected for illustrative purpose. Examples are taken from agriculture, knowledge worker services, financial services, and mining. This collective overview is intended to be a picture for ownership and empowerment in other sectors and businesses. Links to other series are included in the comments below. Agriculture. From self-driving harvesters managed by satellites and artificial intelligence through to the factory warehouse operations, agriculture in all its forms brings many lessons on an industry responding to needs through the use of artificial intelligence. The link to the series is included in the comments below. Knowledge worker services. The automation of knowledge workers around the use of artificial intelligence is a major area of transformation, from tax through audit to legal services and software development. The routine is being automated with changes in roles, revenues, and business models. The pilot autopilot model is emerging within knowledge worker services, the creation for the first time, assuring operations, intervene when things go wrong, and managing people with routine operations automated around AI is the emerging model. AI is used within the non-automated roles, and AI will increasingly be involved. A series of areas including legal, insurance, crisis management, and regulatory with illustrated examples are listed and links are in the comments below. Managing financial crime. Financial services are an area of rapid change around artificial intelligence, the growth of data and data analytics, from client management to real-time payment validation to regulatory reporting, is the precursor to the AI transformation. The example of financial crime is used to show aspects of the integration of AI within evolving operations. Mining. Across the mining process, from prospecting to extraction to logistics to site remediation, artificial intelligence is increasingly being used within operations. A selection of examples of different areas are shown for illustrative purposes. Artificial intelligence for business, areas of opportunity. Some emerging areas of services for business around artificial intelligence are noted. Possible emerging areas. Continuing the illustrative theme across industry, some possible emerging areas for the application of AI are outlined. Decision making. The need for automated decision making using AI across many areas of industry. The routine decision making is starting from driverless vehicles in mine sites through to manufacturing and agricultural production. The emerging is the more complex decisions with the required controls and risk-based approach. Personality assistant, helping us manage the emergent and relationship with people and stakeholders with the use of personality assistance. Leadership development, the use of AI within many aspects of leadership development. Performance management, AI within the management of performance from the routine to the more complex, support with data and analytics. Management of the risk-based approach. The adoption and adaptation to AI is about the transformation of operations on a risk-based approach with the sustaining of business while change is made. The wider application of risk management across operations with AI and risk assessment and decision making included. Benchmark testing. The use of benchmark testing for assurance of data and data quality, as well as the performance and learning by algorithms. These are amongst other emerging opportunities. Skilling, ability to do, and training, how to do as shared services across sectors, the Bureau model. Another opportunity, and which has been discussed in passing in other sessions, is the need for skilling, the ability to do, and training, the how to do, across sectors in many areas of AI and the impact. While skilling and training deliver efficiencies, employment satisfaction, and better customer outcomes, skilling and training is often a cost which businesses need to absorb. It is easy to cut training and skilling with profits at risk. Staff turnover also contributes to increased costs of skilling and training. At an industry level, there are often common needs for skill levels. Having common standards, a skilled industry sector, a lower cost of skilling are all advantages to businesses and an industry sector. Coming together with the formation of bureau models for shared industry skills and training to meet government accreditations, enabling assurance of standards to protect industry brands and reputations, as well as facilitating transfer of skills across the sector, is an area for business. The competitive advantage of a shared platform working across industry sector is also noticed within the accreditation. From financial services using SWIFT with common standards, technology, operations and training, through to safe work practices and government compliance, the Bureau model is proven. Over time, the Bureau model will use AI and be applied to support the use of AI in business. Opportunities for service provision. The application of artificial intelligence across business areas is emerging and is set to extend. The role of artificial intelligence within graphic design, animation, and entertainment is well documented and is just a small part of the transformation emerging. Opportunities for services and business include cloud technology and operations from vendors with automation, whether it be provided to financial services or manufacturing. Increasing on-demand sourcing from cloud with resources and automation, which are core knowledge worker services from the cloud, like project management as a service. On-demand business services with automation tailored to businesses and industries like tax and legal or audit as services from the cloud. Supporting highly automated operations using AI, data analytics, and automation, for which an agriculture example is shown. It is the range of industry-specific automation where significant returns are likely. These are just some of the opportunities to be seen. Industries. Industry examples from the application of artificial intelligence have been shown for use within and across sectors. May this series be of value. Thank you for your time. Please share with others. Feel free to subscribe and add your comments. May you realize the benefits of AI for your needs.